Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we have a fantastic accessory for Garmin watch owners, the DAVILANE leather watch band. This watch band is compatible with a wide range of Garmin models, offering style, comfort, and durability. Stick around as we dive deep into the features, design, and real-world usage of this leather watch band. One of the standout features of the DAVILANE leather watch band is its extensive compatibility. It's available in 3 different sizes: 20mm, 22mm, and 26mm, catering to a variety of Garmin watches. The product description on Amazon provides a detailed list of compatible models for each size, making it easy for you to find the right fit for your watch. The watch band is crafted from high-quality leather, combining style with durability. Users have praised the comfortable feel of the strap, making it ideal for everyday wear. The leather strap is complemented by soft nylon, adding to the overall comfort. DAVILANE has taken extra care to ensure a secure fit with its upgraded 3 buckles. Made of high-quality stainless steel, these buckles are stronger and less likely to come loose. The 3-buckle design also provides ample adjustability to fit wrists of various sizes comfortably. Let's take a moment to look at what some users have to say about the DAVILANE leather watch band. Tom Hoang mentions the comfort, style, and impressive quality of the band in his review. He particularly appreciates the look of the connection adapter. Lino Ortiz gives the product a thumbs up, recommending it and mentioning he has all the available colors. Alex the Hobbyist shares his experience, highlighting the unique attachment design and expressing some concerns about the thickness of the leather. Bob and Ginny Moncrief found the band to be excellent for their Garmin Mark driver watch, mentioning its durability and good fit. The DAVILANE leather watch band is reasonably priced at $27.99, making it an affordable way to upgrade your Garmin watch's look and comfort. It's available on Amazon with free returns for some sizes and colors. In conclusion, the DAVILANE leather watch band is a stylish and compatible accessory for Garmin watch owners. With its high-quality leather, upgraded 3 buckles, and positive user reviews, it's a solid choice for those looking to enhance their watch-wearing experience. If you own a compatible Garmin watch, this product could be the perfect way to add a touch of luxury and comfort to your wrist. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions for future reviews, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Product Critique.